Yawning is the new moaning. हम सेक्स को कितना कम जानते हैं, and I will demonstrate this by an example. Do you know that just by yawning you can achieve super delirious, delicious, fulfilling orgasmic states? So let's do this orgasmic yawning practice. Open your mouth and take a full deep yawn. Make your mouth as open as you can. Really stretch your mouth, That is the feeling of expansion you want in your life. So, stretch your mouth, open your mouth as much as you can, and take as close as to a really big, deep yawn. And if you can't, fake it till you meet it. Yeah, see, as you're yawning, the opening of your jaw muscles, the opening of the back of your throat, notice the opening and expansion of your face as you yawn. Keep doing it till 3 minutes. Open your mouth. And when you relax, relax with a gentle sigh and exhale. If you keep doing it for 3 minutes, you will see a certain lightening up your body. You will notice tingles, pleasant sensations in the body. That's the feeling of orgasm. So if you want to learn more such pleasure practices, holistic pleasure that nourishes you, fulfills you, even when you are alone, attend my upcoming 7-day pleasure challenge.